Come on, Sean. One more.
You think life owes you something? Think again. Life owes you nothing but a swift kick in the rear. So you better rise up, embrace the pain, and conquer your own damn limitations. Don't you dare surrender. Don't you dare settle for less than what you are capable of. There's no room for quitters in this arena. Either give it your all, your every damn day, or just another forgettable face in the crowd. Go all out, leaving no ounces of effort behind. Watch victory become your only option.
One more. Push, push. Come on.
In the relentless pursuit of strength, there are no shortcuts, no mercy. Pain becomes the currency of power, the toll to the throne of greatness. Every rep, every drop of agony is a step towards the unbreakable. This is no tiptoeing, this is domination. Welcome to your bootcamp, where champions are sculpted from the ashes of weakness. Stand tall in the face of torment. This is your battlefield, and victory is your birthright.
Yep.
You are not alone. Generation of pain-defying legends stand beside you. In a warrior, pain is a badge of honor. Conquer it, and you become a force to be reckoned with. Born for this grind, forced by pain and dedication, while others falter, you rise. Victory isn't handed out. It's paid for in blood, sweat, and sacrifice. When the world sleeps, you grind, muscles ache, lungs burn, but mediocrity is your enemy.